Hey guys, I'm James. Welcome to the Full Octane Garage. Since I have a little time to kill because the road is still iced over on the way out of the subdivision, I thought I'd answer a question that I've had for a long time. This garage that we're in right now, this is a 3-car garage with a lift, so we have 4 cars in it, and it's right now it is 43 degrees in this garage. And I've always wondered if all these cars have been driven and run to operating temperature, and you bring them back into the garage, how much can it raise the garage temperature? So we're just going to experiment. There's a ton of loose variables in here, not a really solid control group. It is like 30 degrees outside, and I think the high today is 50, so it may actually get rid of that ice. But it should still be about the same temperature for the 15 minutes or so it takes me to put this together. So we're going to start all these cars up, pull them out of the garage, shut the garage doors, check what the garage temperature is, let them all run to operating temperature, then bring them into the garage and then see how much difference a running hot car can make as far as warming your garage up. I got to do something for the next couple hours, right? Welcome to the Full Octane Garage. Let's get started. Check this view out. This is still probably the last day that we're going to have a ton of snow out here. This is what it looks like out here right now. The roads are a lot worse than what the driveway looks like. All right, now that I got the truck out of the way, it's time to move some cars. There's the stack of keys. Cars, 6-cylinder 911 4S, a 550 horsepower Jaguar F-Pace SVR. We just bought that. That's badass. V10 Audi R8. That's like 542 horsepower, and a 500 horsepower Chevrolet C8. Let's do it. Real quick though, I got to move this barrel. Forgot about this. I picked up this Jack Daniels barrel. How cool is that? It's never been filled before, but it was for a charity function that we took part in. And so we bought the barrel, and all the money for the barrel goes straight to the charity. It's Operation Ride Home. It's a military type charity, which I'm all about that. Now for the big cat, the 550 horsepower Jag SVR F-Pace. Wait till you hear this thing. Crazy. Finally, Melissa's favorite, the 400 horsepower all-wheel drive 4S Cabriolet. Yeah, we're getting some looks now. You don't see this out all the time when the ground's covered with snow. All right, we're gonna put them back into the garage in the reverse order, kind of, that we took them out, so that they all have good enough run time that they're up to temp. All right, the temperature has been 47 for the past, I don't know, 10 or 15 minutes or so, so it's probably a good, stable temperature. Got all 4 cars in the garage. Here they are, and they're all warmed up to operating temperature. They've all been operating for probably 15 minutes or so at least. Let's shut the doors and see what happens. So we got all the cars back in the garage, got the door shut. It's been 47 on the thermostat for the last 15 minutes or so before and when the doors were shut. And the time is 10:52. So I say we give it probably an hour, see what we end up with. I need a hobby. Now they haven't been driven hard, but you can feel the heat coming off of them, of course. It's not like we were driving them in July. The R8's always much warmer than everything else. It always feels like it's rolling some heat off. All right, let's get a progress report. We're at 56 degrees with about 30 minutes. I anticipate 10 degree rise, but we'll see. The cars are still warm. All right, it's been an hour since I brought the cars back in and shut the door. The temperature is now 59 degrees. So it's gone up about 12 degrees. Now granted, it's probably gone up a couple degrees outside. So there's that. The vent, I have the air turned down in the house so that it wouldn't be blowing any warm air in here. So I think generally the expectation is per bay of garage, if you have a car in the garage, your garage can pick up maybe 10 degrees if your car's been out running and gets warmed up. So there you go. Maybe 10 degrees or so after out, warming the car up to its regular operating temperature. During the summer will be a little more interesting. I'm gonna redo this when it's like 90 outside, maybe 80 or 90 in the garage, and then the cars are out. Because right now we're just talking about the engine warming the garage up. During the summer, you got the whole body of the car and the tires of the car all get really hot in addition to the engine. So I'll bet there's a dramatic difference if I were to do this in the summer. Well, let me know what you think in the comments down below. Again, my disclaimer, almost no controls on this whatsoever, just kind of a generic experiment to see some generic idea of how much your garage temperature will go up if you got your cars warmed up. Thanks for joining us at Full Octane Garage. We'll see you soon.